Scratch you inside and it won't start. He'll restore your rusty old broken go-kart with every tool, nut, bolt, and homemade pot. It's the Rollin On channel.
Is it perfect? Not really, but it's darn close to what we're doing.
Something like that.
That went really well. Guys, welcome to the Rollin On channel. If it's your first time joining us, my name's Zach. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I just put together a little video highlighting my new Delta 12-inch drill press. I just got a new vise for this thing and it's been working out great for the shop. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you a penny. Plus, I promise you, there are lots of cool projects that you're not going to want to miss. So go ahead and take that leap of faith and hit the subscribe button. I actually just added these nightstand drawers in here too. They fit perfectly in this little cart that this thing came on. So that worked out really well. I don't think I videoed any of that though. Man, this thing is huge. Definitely should have gotten a smaller one. Alright, now let's get this thing tossed together. I've been told that none of the measurements line up on here, so it doesn't matter how we orient this. Alright. Now, as far as I can tell out of the box, this thing has quite a bit of slop to it. Either way. So hopefully we can tighten that up a little bit because I don't really like that. Gave us these Allen keys and it looks to me like these set screws tighten. Right here. Right here, and right here. There, that entirely took the slop out of this. It took the slop out, but it's not running as smooth as it was before. This probably needs greased up. The burrs need taken off of this, and then maybe it's probably important to apply even pressure on these set screws so that this thing's running parallel. But this is a pretty good starting point and I'm pretty happy with this. I'd rather have it too rigid than too sloppy. So these two bad boys in the bolt pin, they'll do the trick. Alright, it's done. Looks pretty good. I'll probably have to fill in those other two bolts, but I don't know that I have them right now. That'll work for now though. That won't move. Guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Behind me, I have this ProMac. Let's see where my finger needs to point here. I have this ProMac chainsaw. I'm going to order up a carb kit for this here in the next few days. So stay tuned for a video on that. If you want to see it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys. Until next time, take care.